before.
For what?
What's your name?
Why do I need to tell you my name? Why are you
okay?
suing me?
Hey, I know you. I know you.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Get home safe, brother. All right? Get home safe.
Look at you.
Peace. Get home safe.
Look at you.
I put my middle finger up, chumps, cause we don't fuck with y'all. My trigger finger clutch, what? Cause we...
I'ma kick this shit to the game. Well, music is my motive. Motivation like my odom. I stay ballin' on my exes like my scrotum. I don't owe them a motherfucking thing. Will I work hard like a motor? Got me out in Minnesota. Icy with this flow, well, you should call me Minnesota. Ether is my team, keep these pads on my shoulders. So, when I was younger, told myself when I got older I'd be rich. I'm a young boy, hot with this shit like grits. No, eggs in the morning, but I wake up with checks. I give a fuck about a bitch, they ain't got shit to do with this. I just thought that I should mention, young yellow nigga, you should call me Bart Simpson. I stay kicking this shit like punters stay punting. Blowing on Jamaica, they should call it cool running while I run it. It's nothing. Unbreakable motivation. I'm patiently waiting. People hate me for Nathan, they just waste their time. If I spin it fast, you can never catch my grind. I'm a winner, why the fuck would I invest my time? And losing, I'm a hungry artist like Ramadan for Muslims, flow hot like Jerusalem. It'll be a downfall on stage if everybody boos them. When I make it, they'll claim everybody knew them. They could do them, even if they sue them. I say screw them, shout out to all my exes. I screwed them, I always kept them wet like canoeing. So if they ask about this shit, will you just tell them that I do this? If they ask about the shit, just I'm the shit like I put it. Are you clueless? Thought you knew this? I stay swagged out. It's polos for my drawers. I walk around with my pants down. We ain't worried about nothing less than money going up. I put it down like Texas. Only if it's an investment. I'm fresh, man. Ain't no Ray-Bans on my face. Hey, man, I'm on my cake. Shout out to my business investments, what I'm gonna make them. Hotter than the Florida State, I keep a lot of girlfriends. You got a girlfriend, she don't need to contemplate. Who she rolling with, you know it's us. Concept's my name, I keep on throwing up. Signs like I'm gangbanging, I rhyme like my mind crazy. I'm fly like, yo, God take me, I'm fine, just admire greatness. I don't even see him, no. Me, I'm just tatted while I work, I spit like a semi-yellow. 7 bottles, 10 of them hoes. I feel good, I feel great. I just do it cause I can, maybe they do it cause they can't. Maybe they do it cause they hate. Just know, I'm little like Wayne, don't call me baby. Hoes, they call me baby. I run a pussy like I'm AP. I'm 22, I look good like I'm 18. Rappers talk gangsta shit, bombs like Beijing. That's mayhem. I go in, don't know when I'ma stop until them stop hating on a nigga. Now every time that I drop them defecating, Satan on a nigga, so what they saying to a nigga, huh?
I'ma make your body rock, girl. You know I got that bomb when you get it in.